How to delete sticker on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to delete stickers on your iPhone, here is what you should do. First of all, head over to the application with the stickers. It could be messages or notes. For example, head over to your messages. Once you're on your messages, tap on any conversation. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom left corner. Then you will see different options. Tap on stickers. Tapping on stickers, you will see all of your recently used stickers and other stickers as well. Now to delete any of them, just long press it and you will see two options, which is edit or add effect and delete. Tap on the delete option and there you go. This way you have deleted the stickers. You can do the same for other stickers as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.